You see it? What you doing on that?
We're just climbing up it there.
Oh, okay.
What each that we can.
Hey, you can keep going. Now, I would suggest that you turn around. Like, turn your body around, and so you can go down backwards. Okay.
Oh. That one.
Yeah, if you turn around, go ahead, turn your feet around. There you go, turn your whole body around. There you go. Keep going. And then you can back down like a ladder. See? There you go. Now go down backwards. No, go down now. There you go. See? Don't catch me, Mama. Go ahead, keep going. No, you go up. Just like you did over there. You did the same thing over there. You climb up and then you turn your... There you go. You could do it that way.
Dad, I don't want to do it.
Okay. Now you turn around, climb down like a ladder.
Dad.
There you go. Careful.
Get the bottom.
All right.
Here she comes. Get her at the bottom.
Whee!
Look it. There's
Alexis.
a ladder.
Oh, look at that.
Hi.
Woo! Whee!
Mom, look it. I'm
Yeah.
Get out of
I wonder what that thing is over there. Come around. Come over here.
Wow! Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy! Oh, look at those two knuckleheads. Ah, look at those two knuckleheads. Hi!
Hey, Dad!
Alright.
Hey, Mikayla. Can you... I want to see if you can make it up this thing. Put it on the side. Can you make it up this, Mikayla?
Huh?
Can you climb up this?
I don't think she can do that, honey. I don't think she can. No, I don't think she can do it. Pretty darn good.
Job. Climb that like a pro. Good job, Mikayla.
Hey guys, how are we up here?
What is those white things over there, babe?
Look at that. Look at the big pine. Look at. Look at.
That's a big pine cone.
Okay, put it in there. There's dirt in it. How we get in here?
You don't. You go all the way up. And you come around.
That was me stopping.
I know.
Don't stop when your sister's on it, though, okay? Don't stop when your sister's on it.
Yay!